Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. Today I actually have a really exciting piece that I really want to show. It's actually one of my favorite pieces so far. It was a piece that I really wanted when I saw it come out. Let's get into it. So this is the wallet trunk in the monogram Macassar print. It is canvas. However, there's cowhide leather trim all around throughout. There is palladium color hardware as well, as you can tell. And it does come with a black leather handle. It is like a really basic looking handle. There's nothing special about it, which goes on to this little part right here. I don't use the handle at all because it's like, I don't know, I don't really like it. It's too heavy and big. I like to hold it like a little clutch. I think it looks a lot better like this. And I don't have to worry about, like, if it's on my wrist, it's dangling. I don't have to worry about it like banging into anything and damaging it because this piece is expensive. This retails for $6,050 in US. And it is a hard-sided piece, so that's why it's so expensive. I mean, it's big for a wallet, but it's really not that big of a hard-sided piece for the price you're paying. Like a regular trunk, a hard-sided trunk, for, you know, for around the same price, but that's a bit bigger. But I really like this because it is a wallet. I think it's so nice looking, it's classy. But let's do close up. Okay. So as I mentioned, it does have palladium colored hardware. This is leather trim right here. Okay, and here's the bottom of the bag. So this is where you would put the wristlet hook onto. So that's the little clasp to open and close your wallet. So honestly, you don't need another wallet if you have this, obviously, because this is your wallet. The only thing is, like, the opening is not the biggest. It's a good size for you to put like bills in here, credit cards to take them out and stuff, but it's really not that big of an opening, as you can tell. Like, I don't want to try to extend it because I might just end up ripping it in half, but that's kind of like as big as it opens. What I do like about it is there is a total of 6 credit card slots that are actually in here. It might be a little difficult to show, but as you can tell right here, there's 6 credit card slots. But I really do like it. I think it's a really classy piece. This is just a quick little overview for anyone that was contemplating about purchasing it. I absolutely love it. The only cons I would say is this opening. I do have issues. The only issue that I noticed as of right now is that if I put a really thick chapstick in there, like my Chanel chapstick, it won't. I'm gonna use this for comparison, like something like this, right? If everything in the wallet is not placed neatly, it's not gonna be able to close just because something inside is pushing against it. So this piece right here will not fully close. So that's the only thing. So you can't really put a lot of things in here. You could definitely put a lot of flat things, but you're putting like chapsticks, makeup, lipstick, that nature. If you don't organize it neatly in here, it's not gonna close perfectly. So that's like the only con I noticed with use as of right now. The only other con that I'm gonna assume that would happen with this is that you see all of the hardware. I feel like that would get scratched up really easily if you don't take really good care of it. Such a statement piece. I use it as a clutch, literally like this, and I think it looks so good. And as I've mentioned in my previous videos, I really like monogram right now, so that's why I chose this over the monogram Eclipse. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about this piece. Put any comments down below if you have any questions. But stay tuned, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll be posting more videos. Okay, thank you guys. See you next video. Bye.